Go.
Thanks again. It's got the delayed roller locks.
So mine was going good. Oh, it's 165. Well, mine was going. So I gave up.
Oh! 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 Yes! Yes! I've wanted to do that for so long, dude! Yes! Oh my God!
Awesome.
Dude!
Was your GoPro on?
Yes!
Welcome, Doris.
All right, Riddler, go ahead. Hey, talk him. Cross. Riddlin. Riddlin. Already, get your ball. Come in. All right, you see where the slopes is? Go ahead. To your right, go. Right here.
Right.
There we go.
To the right.
Go ahead.
No, not to the right.
Why?
That's been there forever.
Wow, where the smoke is?
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Go for that. Go for that. Shift over. Shift over.
Ah. In the air, bro.
Parkman, open up. Collide. There we go. Talk him. Hey, pick up the rate of fire.
No, hey.
Pick up the rate of fire. Up higher.
Oh my God! Oh, it's so big, dude.
20 rounds without the suppressor. Here we go. All right. 20 rounds with the suppressor. Oh, that was beautiful. Woo!
make this video dedicated to good friends of mine over at Tactical Advisor family, Zach and Kayla. She gave birth to a beautiful little boy the other day. Let's see if I can hit this ADAP right here for him. Really, 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 really happy for you guys. It's gonna be a blessing. But again, congratulations. You guys are great people. And Zach, I cannot wait to shoot some TA targets with you. I ain't gonna lie, I was about to throw this on the ground, but I'm not. I'm not gonna do all that. But seriously, congratulations, guys. Truly happy for y'all.
Move forward. Touch the wheel.
Vai, fogo! Ecco.
Almost like a draw, really.
Hey, kind of angle it, because we're going on the right side of that.
I'ma ride with my motherfucking nigga. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. I been grinding that
gun.
Nice.
Where's safety?
Right there across. That's a thought. I see him react. He just knows when he can't work it.
Safe right here? Oh, right here? Oh, okay.
The thing about it is, when you reverse it, injection, you only need one punch. Extract right there. This panel is held in by two ball details.
Cool. I like it. Hold it up in the sun.
How's it going, guys? I've got a couple products here on this Zeus build that I'm doing some testing on. I've got the Velocity Trigger, the Iron City Rifle Works Bolt Carrier Group, and then the Anderson Manufacturing Red Dot. Of course, I've got all these other products on here. We're kind of testing them out in the long run, but these are the newest ones on here that I'm trying to see how well they function. I'm going to give you guys a closer look at that trigger real quick. We're about 50 yards out. I like that trigger. Yeah, that's smooth. That's a 4-pound trigger. Yeah, that's nice. Good thing I stopped shooting. My ear came out.
We have one suspect down. Phil, bro. I'm good. Stop. I'm good. Stop. No, my arm. Put your arm. Put your away. It's okay. No. It's okay. Okay. Let me get a freaking medic. I'm good. Now, dude, get off. Look at me. Get off. Phil. I'm good. Run away. I'm good, fam. I'm good. Phil, you hit? I'm good. My arm's. Okay, but listen. Is it through? No. Phil, I'm solid. I'm good. Check it. Get that gun away.
By far the most powerful video that I've seen this week. It's not about race, it's not about religion, it's not about gender, it's not about politics. It's about being human. And sometimes being human is just what we need. Stay safe, stay effective, be human.
Is he okay? Yeah, he's good. That's crazy.